Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering only the footage you'll use. That keeps the timeline tidy and reduces lag. Open Capcut, make a project in the target aspect ratio, 16:9 for desktop or 9:16 for mobile, and set the correct frame rate. Then import clips, audio, and overlays into media, grouping them by scene or highlight so you can quickly drag the best moments onto the timeline. Once done, scrub through each clip and mark in slash-out points to speed up the edit. Now you build the story. Assemble highlight clips on the main track in chronological or hype order, and use the cut tool to remove dead time. Make sync-tight edits by splitting audio, adding short crossfades, and inserting speed ramps for dramatic moments. Use keyframes to smooth motion or scale changes on overlays, and apply a quick LUT or manual color correction to match shots. This creates visual continuity. Make sure to zoom in on the timeline to refine frame-accurate cuts. Finish by balancing your audio. Lower music when dialogue or game sounds are important, and add impact SFX where edits land. Check overlays, subtitles, and motion easing, then export with H.264, the correct aspect ratio, and a target bitrate appropriate for resolution, about 812 Mbps for 1080p. If you see audio drift or dropped frames, relink original media or re-render the affected clip. Then replace it on the timeline. This fixes sync issues without redoing the whole edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.